Welcome back to Cubing Academy. In this video, we discussed how we can solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. There's also a link attached in the description, and please do watch it. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how we can solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a smaller version of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, challenging yet comparatively easier. Now you might be wondering, why did I show the 3x3 Rubik's Cube tutorial and then the 2x2 Rubik's Cubes? This is actually because the 3x3 Rubik's Cube was the first cube invented and the 2x2 is based on it. So if you have learned the 3x3 and then you do the 2x2, it is much more easier. In fact, all these videos have been decided like that. Now, before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you get to know of it as soon as possible. In the cube, we have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just like the 3x3. But instead, each face has got 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are called the corners, and each corner has 3 colors. For example, this corner has got pink, yellow, and blue. Then let's pick another random corner. This corner has got orange, green, and white. Each face also has a particular color that should remain the same. If you're familiar with the 3x3, it has the same color arrangement, but less pieces. When the white face is on the top, the yellow face should be on the bottom. And when the orange face is facing you, to the right, you should have the green face, and then the pink face, and then the blue face, while the white and yellow are in the bottom. Instead of the pink face, you might also have red color. It just depends on the cube. I will also be showing a few notations or movements to help get the cube get solved faster. So I'll be referring to these notations and let me show you a small recap. They're just the same as the 3x3. So if you've solved the 3x3 before, you know these. This is right or R, and this is R prime. Whenever I say prime, it means the opposite. This is left or L and L prime. This is U or up and U prime. And this is F or front and F prime. And finally, back or B and B prime. Solved. First, we need to create the white face. And while creating the white face, we also have to ensure that they're in the correct corner by checking if these 2 colors on the other side, assuming that this is the white face, match. So let us start by finding the white, blue, red, or pink in my case face or corner. So let us find it. Okay, the corner is here. So now let us assume where the white part is, that is where we need to create the white face. So we have got one corner in place, and then we slowly need to get the white, blue, and orange corner. Then we need to get the white, orange, and then green corner, and then the white, green, and pink corner. So there can be 3 scenarios for each of them. In scenario 1, we would have one corner piece on in the bottom corner of the face below the white face, and it will be facing us. So as you can see, this white piece is here and the white face needs to be here. So rotate it until we find the correct place. So if I move it up, does it match? No. If I move it here, does it match? No. But if I move it here, then this is the blue color that needs to come. So it matches here. Because the blue color here and the blue color here are the same. So as this is on the left side, this is the formula. L prime F, L, L, F prime. And there you go, the piece is here and it's matching. If your piece is on the right side for scenario 1, then first we need to bring it to the correct position. So as you can see, the pink color and the pink color here match. If I move this up, I think that this should be the correct spot. So let us see. Here's the formula for the right side. R, F prime, R prime, F. And as you can see, the piece fits here. The pink color here matches. In scenario 2, the white part of the piece will be on the bottom face. So the white part is here while the white face is here, and we need to bring this piece up here. So how do we do it? So first, let me show you a formula to bring it to scenario 1, and then we solve it like scenario 1. So first, let us move it to an empty edge. So here you go, it's into an empty corner. And then here's the formula. As this is on the right side, here it is. Now the piece has come to scenario 1. And now let's find the empty corner and let's just bring it up. In scenario 2, if your piece is on the left side, then here's the formula. And now let us solve it like scenario 1. So it comes here and scenario 3 is pretty much the same as scenario 2 formula wise, but then in scenario 3 the white part of the corner is facing you, but it's on the top right side or the left side. So it's the same formula like scenario 2. As this is on the right side, let me show you. And as this piece needs to go here, let us move it. And now where's the other piece? The other piece is here. So now as this is the only place left, we know that this is the right place. And there you go. We've solved part 1 and we've created the white face. Now after creating the white face, don't forget to check out whether you have got the two colors, the two other colors in the corners that are matching. So the green here matches, the orange matches, the blue matches, and the pink or red matches. Now we have to bring up all the yellow corners. You can have 7 different situations, but only one algorithm. Now we have to note how the upper face looks. So now I have got one yellow piece here. Keep turning it to reach any of the positions I'll show you below. So I rotate my U face continuously until it reaches one of the positions. So now that I've rotated it, I think it's reached one of the positions and we've got one yellow piece here on the left side. Now see which scenario matches your cube. Once you find it, here's the formula. R U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. It's really unusual, but then all my yellow corners have come up in the first attempt. Sometimes they can come up in the second attempt or the third attempt. Once you're done, you need to keep turning the U face until you find that the corner along with the other colors is in the correct place. That means that this color and this color should match, this color and this color should match. There should be 2 corners like that. So I've got one corner that matches, the blue color matches the blue color, the orange color matches the orange color, but we need 2. So let us move on. I turn it again. This does not match, this does not match either, but I've got 2 corners that are matching here. They could be adjacent or diagonal. The green matches the green, the pink or the red matches the pink. Now, if your corners are adjacent, place them in the back. If they're diagonal, place them anywhere. It does not matter. And do this formula. RI, F, RI, back, back, R, F prime, R prime, back, back, R, R. And if it's adjacent, U prime. If it's not, your formula is over. As you can see, the cube is solved. Now your cube should also be solved. If you have any queries, Don't be hesitant to post them on the comments and I'll try to get back to you ASAP. Once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon, fellow Cubers!